Today's recipe is a protein shake or smoothie high in calories for weight gain. It's very easy, nutritious, and delicious. Stay with me to see the steps. Hi everyone. Today I'm making with you some high calorie, high protein smoothie or protein shake. We will need only 4 ingredients. We need some milk of your choice. It's better if you have the whole milk or high protein milk, any milk you choose. Some vanilla ice cream, some peanut butter or almond butter, and some chocolate syrup. We will need 2 big scoops of ice cream. 2 big scoops. That's more than a scoop here. 1 scoop. That's very good ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Another scoop of ice cream. 2 big scoops of ice cream. And 1 scoop of peanut butter. It's very high in protein, this protein shake or smoothie. A big spoon, big scoop of peanut butter. Some milk. Okay, that's like a fourth of the cup. And some chocolate syrup. Maybe 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Then it's ready. We will blend everything together and our protein shake, high calorie protein shake, will be ready. Our shake or smoothie is ready. Look at the color, very nice. It's delicious and very creamy and nutritious in the same time. Like anybody is trying to gain some weight, is really a good idea to make this once or twice a day beside your meals. Hope you try it. Let me know how you like it, and see you next time with new recipes. Thank you for watching, and enjoy this very delicious smoothie or protein shake.